The Canyon Spectral AL 6.0 is the entry-level all-mountain bike from Canyon. This is not supposed to be a comprehensive technical review, it's supposed to give you an understanding how this bike feels different than the 2016 Spectral. In this review I'll be talking about 4 components: brakes, suspension, dropper post and shift. Brakes. The Canyon Spectral features SRAM Guide R brakes. I always remembered them to be squeaky even when dry, but somehow that's not the case anymore. In general, they felt a little bit softer on this bike, less responsive than on my Spectral 2016. But of course they create huge braking power as well. Overall, I'm neutral on the brakes. Dropper post. Buttery smooth. Up and down, especially when it's coming up. This is a bonus because it doesn't smash into your rear end like a jackhammer. The dropper post is the kind Choc Lev SI. This is a huge plus compared to my Spectral 2016. Shifting. I think I've never experienced shifting more crisp and fast. This is really outstanding. Shifting is handled by the SRAM GX Eagle system. Of course, you have a 1x12 shifting setup like it's all the rage nowadays on all mountain or enduro style bikes. Suspension. You have a RockShox Pike RC up front and a RockShox Deluxe RT on the back. The front has 150 mm of travel, which is more than enough for the typical all-mountain and trail riding use cases. Maybe I have my Spectral 2016 set up incorrectly, but these 2 components really boost the confidence. The bike feels very mellow and steady at the same time on the trail, especially when it becomes a bit more bumpy. Mainly thanks to these 4 components, it's really fun to ride this bike. The inclination to just drop into the trail, enjoy every feature and let the bike do even more work than in the past was growing with every meter ridden. So what's my verdict? When I arrived at the bottom, I was fully convinced that I need a new bike, just to experience the increased amount of fun that 2 years of development bring to the same model line. If you're thinking about getting this bike, go ahead.